Welcome to Wise Intuition and your divine bioenergetic restoration code download. This activation is specifically designed for vagus nerve healing, restoration, and energetic recalibration. Today, you are stepping into active communication with your body's energetic intelligence. Through divine bioenergetic restoration codes, we deliver precise energetic instructions. Codes your system recognizes to realign, reset, and restore coherence. The vagus nerve governs the balance of your entire nervous system, regulating your breath, heart, digestion, immunity, and emotional state. When it becomes dysregulated due to stress, trauma, or chronic imbalance, the entire body struggles to maintain harmony. By delivering a carefully constructed energetic code, we allow the body to gently reorganize its systems back into alignment, releasing dysregulation and inviting full parasympathetic restoration. Before we begin, allow yourself to find a comfortable seated position. Place both feet on the ground. Relax your shoulders, jaw, and brow. Place your fingertips gently on your forehead. If performing on another person, place your fingers gently on their forehead. Using light pressure, begin gentle circular motions with your fingertips, slowly moving around the forehead, temples, and sides of the face. Continue this motion down along the sides of the neck, and then back up toward the crown of the head and returning to the forehead area. This helps open the energy pathways and prepare the nervous system to receive the activation. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly and deeply. Feel your breath guiding your system into a receptive state. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready. Speak aloud with clear intention. You are addressing the higher intelligence within your energy field. Let's begin. I use my fingers as lasers. I request full regulation and harmonic restoration of my vagus nerve system. 100% RNA is made accessible to translate full parasympathetic balance and neuroregulation coding. Transmit at 18 volts, 144 cycles, on a carrier wave of 528 megacycles per second. Restore cranial nerve resonance to 870 to 900 megacycles per second. Clear all neuroelectrical entrainment, trauma-encoded intrusion, sympathetic overload, and subconscious dysregulation sources. Synchronize full autonomic recalibration. Compute negative 222 millivolts. Negative potential throughout entire vagal network and branching systems. Obey harmonic 7752-9921-1444 to initiate vagal coherence and homeostatic balance. Normalize heart rate variability, baroreflex sensitivity, breath control, digestive signaling, and limbic response regulation. Apply light modulation to DNA unzipping angle of 6 degrees 48 minutes of arc on a 360-degree arc, releasing dysfunctional neural pattern loops. Under authority of 9 iterated 9 to the third power plus C, gold spectrum, F major harmonic, activate parasympathetic restoration code. Stabilize immune modulation, emotional regulation, cytokine signaling, brainstem integration, and inflammatory response control. All discordant energetic signatures, entrainment sources, emotional residue, chemical triggers, and environmental disruptors are fully cleared and neutralized. Take a deep breath. Again, breathe deeply. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. The code has been delivered. Your system has received the instruction. No force is required. The natural intelligence within your field will continue to process and integrate this restoration over the coming hours and days. You may return to this activation as often as you are guided. Thank you for joining this divine bioenergetic restoration code session. You have now actively communicated with your body's energetic blueprint. As we continue this journey together, we will build a full library of healing codes, addressing multiple systems and layers of your being. The blueprint has always been within you. You are simply remembering how to access it. Your healing has begun.